Good morning, Ryan from Perry's here. Just a quick video to show you the basic controls of your new vehicle to minimise contact when you come into the showroom. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off on the left hand side of the wheel. We're going to work our way around the car till we get to the end. Okay, so starting off on the left hand side of the wheel, as I mentioned, in a moment I'll show you how to set your Bluetooth up, but before we do that, once your Bluetooth is connected, you can use these two buttons here, this one to answer a call, this one to decline a call. Okay. When your phone is connected as well, if you've got the media playing from your phone, you can use this button here. You can go up or down to change the songs, and then you've also got your volume control. That one also works for the radio as well, and then you've got the mute button up here. Okay, if you do want to switch between radio and your Bluetooth, you just simply push this button here and it will switch between DAB, FM, AM and your Bluetooth. Okay, right hand side of the steering wheel is where your trip computer is controlled. So this one here will go through all the different settings you've got in there. So you've got a compass, when it next needs a service, you've got your speedo. Vehicle's also fitted with cruise control, so this top button here will do the cruise control. You'll see the little green symbol come on there. When you're at the speed you want to be at, just pull that down and that will set. Okay. Also fitted with a speed limiter, so you just push that one there and it will come up, set the speed, and the vehicle will not go above that speed. Okay, and then to cancel it you just push that and it will go off. Okay. You can also go through all of the settings on there. On the indicator stalk is where your lights are controlled, so they are automatic lights, so you don't ever need to touch those really. And then you've got your fog lights front and rear on there as well. Okay, and then on the right hand side is where your window washers are controlled by. So to do the front ones, you just push it up. The higher you go, the faster they go. Okay, and then you've got the intermittent settings there, or you can just pull it down to do one wipe. And then the rear is two settings just in the end. Now if you want to do the washer jets for the front, you just pull it towards you, or for the rear you push it away from you. Okay. Down by your right knee you'll see a few controls. So you've got your traction control on the very left there, you've got your lane keep assist, which will detect other lines in the road and beep at you if you are going out of those. And then you've got your brightness, the display in there, so you can put that up and down. And then you've got your headlight adjustments as well. Okay. Moving over to the window controls and the mirror controls, the vehicle is fitted with auto folding wing mirrors. Now when it is set to the middle position, which it isn't at the moment, when you get out of the vehicle and lock it, the wing mirrors will fold in. However, you can override this by pushing that and they will fold in or fold out. Okay. Then you've got your left and right controls with your control panel to adjust the two mirrors. This one here will lock the rear windows, so if you've got any children or anyone in the back that you don't want to open the windows, you can lock those. You can still override it, but they will not be able to do it in the back. And then you've got your unlock and your lock button for the whole vehicle, and then obviously the four window controls. Okay. Moving down to the centre, you've got your parking sensor button, so if you want to turn them off you just push that. When that light is illuminated it means the parking sensors are no longer active and they are off. You've got your stop start button. So the vehicle is fitted with stop start technology, so when you come to some traffic or traffic lights the engine will cut out if you've got your foot on the brake and it's in neutral, but you can turn that off just with that button. Downhill brake control, so you'll see a little symbol come up just on the right hand side of the dash there. And then steering mode, so you've got normal or sports. Sports just makes it a little bit heavier. Okay. And the vehicle is fitted with dual zone climate control, so you can set the passenger side to 27 and driver's side to low. If you push sync, however, it will set the passenger side to whatever the driver's side's on. Okay, and then you have got your fan directions here, fan speed as well. Okay, it's got heated seats for the passenger and for the driver, which are these two outer buttons here, and then you've got front and rear window. Just push off like that. Okay, to turn the radio on, just push the button. Okay, push radio, and then you can go through all of the list there. So that's on FM at the moment. Okay, so you can go to DAB, go to list, and you've got different radio stations on there. Okay, want to connect your phone up, you push settings, Bluetooth, paired devices, it will say no Bluetooth, would you like to pair one? You click yes, and then you go to your mobile device, your Bluetooth device, go to your settings, find Tucson, enter the 4-digit passcode and follow the on-screen instructions. Okay. And if you want to play your songs from your phone, you just push media. Okay. For the sat nav's nice and easy. You push nav. If you push map, it will just give you a picture of the map. Push nav, that's where you can actually search for an address. So at the moment it's set to our dealership. So you simply just type in your postcode in there, click OK, and it will take you. So if I just show you in this one, and it will give you 3 options: fast, short, or eco. Okay, done.
Starting route
And it will
guidance.
start your route guidance.
You have reached your destination.
Okay.
The destination is to the left.
Any questions, you can refer back to this video in the future, or just give me a call. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.